And the one and an important thing is that animals are the part of our lives, who play a very important role in our lives. Alice is pink and very proud. She likes to stand out in a crowd. Ziggy is the zebra's name. No one else looks quite the same. Panda was bored of black and white, so painted his fur with spots so bright. Marvin's wearing his yellow sweater. No other clothes fit him better. Little Loves doesn't mind the rain, but putting on boots is such a pain. Penguin Pit just wants to fly. A parachute helps him travel the sky. Belinda Bear loves to dance whenever she can get the chance. The strangest creatures in the sea are fish with fingers just like me.